Today I'm going to be showing you how to correctly measure the PCD on a 4-stud trailer wheel. PCD stands for pitch circle diameter. It's really important that you know how to measure this correctly to ensure that you can order the right size trailer wheel. Otherwise, it's going to be a lot more hassle than it's worth. Measuring takes about 2 minutes and it's extremely easy, so you can either follow along or wait for the summary to come up on the screen. There are 5 common sizes for the PCD on a 4-stud trailer wheel, and there are 2 in particular that people are always getting mixed up and ordering the wrong size, causing them to have to return the wheel and reorder. The common sizes are 4 inches, 5.5 inches, 100 millimeters, 115 millimeters, and 130 millimeters. Now, the one that people tend to get mixed up all the time is 4-inch PCD and the 100 millimeter PCD. You can actually see on the tape measure why it's so easy to get these measurements mixed up, because 4 inches and 100 millimeters are extremely close on the measuring tape. So it's a super easy mistake to make, but this is what we're going to remedy today, teaching you how to measure the PCD on a 4-stud trailer wheel correctly. So all you're going to need is your measuring tape and your trailer wheel. And now what you're going to want to do is take your tape measure and place it on the inside edge of one of the 4 studs in the center, as shown on the diagram. And now from this point, take it to the outside edge of the stud directly opposite. Again, this is shown in the diagram to make this as easy as possible. Now find the distance between these 2 points, and that measurement is your PCD, or pitch circle diameter, of your 4-stud trailer wheel. If the measurement is between the 4-inch and 100 millimeter point, then check and double check to ensure that you are looking at the right size. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and be sure to head over to tridenttowing.co.uk for all of your trailer needs.